When you're getting started and you're developing your brand, one of the most important things is going to be your logo. This is what people are going to associate your name of your brand with, right? When you think of Ralph Lauren, you think of the Polo Rider. When you think of Nike, you think of the swoosh, and so on and so forth. So you want to make sure that you go very simple and easy to remember. That is the key for logos. Look at the AMZ formula and the little beacon that's on my shirt. It's very simple. I see a lot of people when they're going out with logos, they want reefs and like stuff moving around it and all this crazy stuff that's going on. Historically, if you study some of the most successful companies in the world, like McDonald's, it's just a big M or two arches, right? So the more simple your logo is, the easier it is to remember. And remember, you want people to remember you, right? And I didn't plan on that sounding like that. It almost sounded like I was gonna start rapping, but yes, you want people to remember you when it comes to your logo. So what I like to do is, because what I would do when I was starting out is I would get one, I would run with it. I'm like, oh no, I don't really like it. Now when I'm in product development and product research for my brand, what we do is we actually have 1 to 3 different artists make 3 to 6 different logo variations each. So we can have anywhere between 9 all the way up to like 27 different variations of our logo. That way we can be very straight to the point and concise on that first iteration. Now that may not be feasible or viable for you to do, but what you can take from that is try to get 2 or 3, right? And you can see different Upworks and Fiverr jobs that will offer that. Another service that AMZ Hunter offers is my personal graphic designer that works for us, who has created thousands of logos, also does this for us and our team as well. So if you want to have a logo designed, check out AMZ Hunter and check out that service as well. But I can tell you this, the key to a successful logo and brand recognition is an easy logo to remember and a logo that's not too busy or doesn't have too much going on. Check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100+ videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.